Guys, today I'm gonna show you how to design an album cover really quickly. We're gonna be making this, and I will show you how to do it really quick with some royalty-free images on Pixabay. So let's get started. So you want to type in Pixabay, and again, these images are royalty-free, and sometimes you gotta give the creator credit, which is not bad. You don't have to pay for it, so you won't get striked if you use these images. So for this album cover, I'm going to be using for one of my beats, I'm just going to type in anime, and so you see here's the image, and you just click download. And since we already got it, and the good thing about this image is it's already cut out, it's an actual PNG. So go back and also typed in, also got that red skull, so I'll show you how to do that one as well. So just type in skull images, and it's this one right here. So you can just copy image, right click, copy image, go to edit, see, paste. As you can see, there it is. So now just enlarge it a little bit. So I'm going to, just for the sake of this, I'm going to download it. Show. Alright. Now I'm going to bring it into Photoshop. There you go. Now it's going to bring it into my other document. Here it is. You can right click, convert it to smart object, so you can so you won't lose resolution when you minimize it. So here is the image, and here's the skull. So now, just really quickly, I'm going to use the wand tool. You want to click contiguous, I don't know how to say that word, but anyway. So he's going to select the white background around the skull, which is what you want. If you want to do this pretty quickly, unless you want to use the pen tool and then mask the skull and remove the background. If you want to do that, if you want to take your time and be more precise, you can do that. So just for the sake, if you want to do it quickly, if you need to do a quick album cover, you use the wand tool, click on the background, highlight the background, and just hit delete. Right click, deselect. Now you can see you just have the skull. So now just to clean it up a bit, you can use the pen tool and go in just to remove that white space that's left over. Just really quickly. Right click, create vector mask, and you're gonna want to click subtract from shape. Now you can leave it clicked on. You see here in the mask, be masking, and then on the other white parts, just make sure you close the anchors. Don't leave it open, because when you click on another area to mask off, it's gonna create a mess. So just keep moving along, and just really quickly, if you want to do this really quick, and make sure you close the anchor. Now come to your layer, right click, convert to smart object. There you go. You just cleaned it up really quick. You can go to image, adjust exposure. Now you can play around with levels. You can make it darker, lighter. Just keep it that way. Now bring your skull layer underneath, and there you go. Not exactly like the original that I have it, but you can kind of see. I still have that. Just rasterize again. Just delete that part if you have parts that you don't want to use. Now I already have my screenshot of my video, from my video. I'm not going to show you how to do all that. If you want a video on that, just let me know in the comments. I can show you how to get a screenshot from your video you're going to be using, you're going to upload to YouTube. So I already got my background. Here's the girl. Now just move this slightly. So now if you want to color the skull, let's take out the skull completely, so you don't have to be worrying about those extra white spaces. Just click. You could either cut the layer out or copy it, but I usually like to cut it and then delete the layer underneath. Now bring your skull, you can go to effects, you can call color overlay. Now you can play around with different colors if you want. So I want this red. You want to hit multiply on your blend mode. You can also play with the opacity of the color overlay. So I put mine around 83. So now bring up your top layer. So now you got the skull underneath like I had it in my original. So there you go. That's a quick tutorial on how to make an album cover for your single or music video or whatnot. If you want more videos like this, more in depth, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video on it. Thanks guys.